Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2011 Chevy Avalanche LT. This vehicle has the dark cashmere and light cashmere interior colors. This vehicle was a local trade. It has the heavy duty trailering package, rear park assist, the Z71 off-road package, power adjustable pedals, which your buttons for that are going to be right here, which that moves them up or down. Also, you can turn the rear park assist off by this button here. This vehicle does have the Bose sound system, and it does also have remote start. It does have a trailer brake controller right down there. Also, this vehicle does have XM radio. If we take a look on the outside, this vehicle does have the taupe gray metallic. It has the Z71 logo right there. It does have running boards and mud flaps. Does have the hard tonneau cover, and then that's what the inside of the bed looks like. I'll show underneath because some people always wonder how clean the frame looks on these. If we take a look in the back seat, this is what the room looks like. Also, you pull these cushions up, and then this will fold down flat, and then you have the opening. Then you have the opening here, so you can pull stuff from the bed into here if you fold these seats down, which is kind of cool. Also, there's radio controls right back here, and then the cup holders right there. That is all I have on this Avalanche. If you have any questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.